Okay, good afternoon everyone, good afternoon. We are live on this page, and this afternoon we want to answer this question that is under calculus. This is the question that we have. So it's saying differentiate with respect to x. We want to differentiate this with respect to x. So how do we go about this question? So if you are looking for tuitions UIGC candidate for 2023, you can WhatsApp me on this WhatsApp line or call me on this line. You can call me on this line. This is my line. You can call me or WhatsApp me 0971 066747 for online lessons. You can call me. We are located in Kabwe, just near Banker's Nest. We offer tuitions in mathematics and science. So let us answer now this question together. So we've got this question that is under calculus. So it's saying differentiate with respect to x. So even as we start, if you're watching me live, you can share in one or two groups so that everyone can get to know about this. So it's saying differentiate with respect to x. So we've got this. This is the question that we want to do what? To differentiate. So before you differentiate a question under calculus, you need to know which rule are you using. So we've got quite a lot of rules. So we've got the product rule, we've got the quotient rule, we've got a lot. So we've got the chain rule. So according to this question, we need to use the what? We need to use the chain what? The chain rule. In other words, you cannot answer this question if you don't know how to use the what? The chain rule. Which formula can you apply? So under this rule, what you need to understand now is that for you to answer the chain rule, we say that we rate what? We rate u be equal to what? Be equal to u. Where we know that so I'm going to say where u is a what? U is a function. Where u is a what? Where u is a function of what? A function of x. And the formula that we get to use, the formula that we normally use is dy over dx, which is equal to like this. Then you say dy over du, then multiply by what? Du over dx, like this. So this is the what? This is the general formula that we use under the what? Under the chain rule. You need to know how to use this formula. Now we go to our question. We've got this is our what? This is our question that you are having. So this is our question. So this question, the first thing that you need to do, y is equal to. You need to make sure that you've got an expression that is what? Properly written. This is our question. Hope we've done indices. So for you to answer a question under calculus, you need to know, or you need to have knowledge on what? On indices. So like when a number is written like, when a number is 1 over x like this, 1 over x is just the same as x to the power negative what? To the power negative 1. And when a number is written like this, square root of what? Square root of 2x, like this. This is just the same as what? 2x to the power half. So what am I talking about? This expression here, it is just the same as 3 over 2x plus what? 2x plus 5, like this, in brackets, to the power what? To the power half, like that. Now this, it can also be written in that way. So this is in positive indices. I need to convert this to what? Negative index. So y is equal to what? 3 multiplied by 2x plus 5, like this, to the power negative 1 over what? 1 over 2. This is what we are going to do here. So which means that for you, if you want to answer this question, the way this question is, if you answer this, if you want to answer this question, so once you are done with this part, then you are going to say, let u represent what is here. So you say let what? Let u be equal to what? U be equal to 2x plus what? Plus 5. So u is equal to that. So u is equal to what? U is equals to this. So now, if you want to answer this, so we've seen u is equals to what is in the what? In the bracket. So then you're going to say and. So it means y is equal to what? 3u to the power what? 1 over what? 1 over 2, like this. So I've come up with the two equations. So I need to differentiate this one and differentiate this other one. So in this case, I'm differentiating what? I'm differentiating u with respect to x, which means it is what? Du over what? Dx, like this, which is equal to. So I use what? In this case, I'm going to use the what? The general way of what? Differentiating expressions. So for me to differentiate this one, what I'm going to do now is that I'm going to say, so I know that differentiating expressions like this, I use the formula called what? Nax, where I say this Nax the power n minus 1, where you get to multiply the power times the coefficient. So here there is 1. So 1 times 2, it's what? It's 2. Then x, it's going to be x1 minus 1, which is the same as x power what? 0. Then I know that anything less to the power 0 is equals to what? 1. So here, just the same as x power what? X power 0, like this. Of course, x power what? X power 0, like that. So for me to answer this is under calculus, we don't differentiate what? A constant number. So you cannot differentiate what? A constant number. So you just leave it the way it is. You cannot differentiate a constant number. So it is just the same as du over is equal to what? Is equal to 2, like this. Then I go this side now. So I've differentiated this one. So on the formula, du over dx is this one. So I have this one. So let me find this other one now. So now, this one, I'm differentiating y with respect to what? With respect to u. So it is just dy over du, which is equal to. This is what I'm going to do. Like this is what I'm going to do. So I get to multiply. This is the power here. So I'm multiplying the power with the what? With the coefficient. So I'm saying the power is what? Negative 1 over 2 multiplied by 3, like this. Then u negative 1 over 2 minus what? Minus 1, like this. Which is just the same as this. So this multiplied by that is what? Negative 3 over 2. U, when I work out this one, so negative 1 over 2 minus 1, here 1, the common denominator there is what? It's 2. The 2 into 2 is 1. 1 times negative 1 is negative 1. Minus 2 into 1 into 2 is 2. 2 times that 1 is 2, which is equal to what? Negative 3 over what? Over 2. So we've got the power which is what? Negative 3 over what? Over 2. Like this. This is our what? This is our answer. So I've differentiated, I've got dy over du. I've got this expression now. So since I've got these two, so this, where there is u here, I know that, okay, this can also be written as what? Negative 3 over 2, like this. Negative 3 over 2, then u there. U, what is your u? U is this one, 2x. I said u is this one. Where I said u is equivalent to that. So u is 2x plus 5, like this. To the power what? Negative 3 over what? Over 2. This is what we are going to do. So after reaching at this stage now, so I need now to do what? To get these two answers like this. So this is what I'm going to do. So let me lab this part here. Let me lab this part here. So let me do this. Okay, so I've got two answers. I've got two answers with me. So I've got this one, which is what? So I've got two answers. I've got du over dx. The answer is what? The answer is 2. I also have this one, dy over du, which is equal to what? Negative 3 over 2, like this, negative 3 over 2. So I've got negative 3 over 2. Then what? 2x plus 5, like this. Cross the power negative 3 over 2, like that. So I've come up with, this is what I've come up with. That is my what? My answer. So now, with these two now, I know that the formula that we use here, the formula that we need to use, we need to say that dy over dx is equal to what? Dy over du times du over dx. This is the what? This is the formula that we need to use. So which is just equal to? So dy over du, this is the answer. The answer is here. So it's what? Negative 3 over 2 multiplied by 2x plus 5, like this, to the power what? Negative 3 over 2. Then I say times du over dx. Du over dx is just the same as what? That's the same as 2, like that. Which is equal to. So this is equal to what now? So with this now, what I'm going to do next is that I'm going to say this. So these two are being multiplied, this and that. So 2 and 2, these they can cancel out. So I'm going to remain with negative 3, open bracket, 2x plus what? Plus 5. To the power neg what? Neg 3 over 2, like this. So here, this one, dy over dx. So I'm going to say dy over dx is equal to. So I continue with this. So now here, what I need to do now is that this can also be written in a positive what? Index. Where I'm going to say it's negative 3 over what? 2x plus 5, like this. To the power what? 3 over 2, like this. So this, which is equal to what now? So this, I can also write this in another what? Another form. I can also write this in another what? Another form. Where I'm going to say, with this now, I'm going to say this is what? Negative what? Negative 3. So negative 3 is fine there. Negative 3 over. So I know that here, this is the root. So here, this is just the same as root what? This is under one root, which is what? 2x plus 5, like this. Then I put these 2, then a 3 there outside. So this is just the same. This is just the same. So which means this is my what? This is my final answer. This is how we go about this question. This is how you are supposed to answer this question. So if you are looking for tuitions, we do offer tuitions in mathematics, chemistry, and physics. So you can WhatsApp me on my WhatsApp line, which is this one, +26097 106 6747. You can WhatsApp me on this WhatsApp line, then I'll be able to respond to you, and we get students together. We offer tuitions. We are based in Car. We're just near Bankers Nest. That's where you can find us. We equipped you with the right information and basics so that you get a distinction in mathematics. Don't forget, this is your tutor, Tutor Harrison J. Zulu. Share the video to someone. Okay, so make sure you share the video to someone. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you for watching. Thank you.